This is officially a world record. This is officially the largest challenge that has ever been held.
Give yourselves a round of applause.
Give yourselves a round of applause for being here right now. So look to your left, look to your right, and you will see the most ambitious attorneys who've entered this challenge.
If your attitude is correct, the facts do not matter.
So you came in here looking for hacks, but that's precisely what's holding you back.
Who here wants to remember 75 to 80% of what Bill and I teach you? Me! Say me in the chat.
You should be thinking about the next law firm you're gonna buy. You should be thinking about the next market you're gonna conquer. You should be thinking about your next 10 hires. You should be thinking about how you're gonna expand into your marketplace like an incomparable force.
Wave your hands if you want to win $80,000 in prizes. Did you learn how to ride a bike by reading a book or attending a conference? You learned how to do the thing by doing the thing.